Bitcoin has gotten a massive rejection back towards the downside, but guys, this is going to be a huge warning because I think that this is going to be a massive trap. While Bitcoin is currently breaking towards the downside, the stock market is still bouncing back towards the upside. You are seeing a huge divergence right now being created. The Bitcoin market sentiment is right now flipping back to the fear, while we are sitting at a huge level of support. So we need to be talking about that exactly. So can we once again push up the likes back above the 100 likes? That will be absolutely amazing. And as always, let's have a look into towards a short term. And in a short term, yesterday Bitcoin has been getting a big rejection back towards the downside. Now, yes, I have been saying that Bitcoin has been trading on this massive level of support, but if Bitcoin were to fall below this level of support, I think we are going back down to the 59k levels, towards this level of support over here, towards this daily level of demand. And yes, indeed, this is exactly the level where Bitcoin is currently finding some support. Now, let's see if we are going to be holding this level right now, right over here. Now, I do think that a little bit of a liquidity grab down below this low could be a possibility. I do think it could be possible and then see a bounce back towards the upside. But well, do be warned, because like I've told you, I do think that eventually we are going to be seeing this big bounce from off this level of support. Whether we are going to be getting a little bit of a dump towards the downside in that short term to be seeing this liquidity grab down below this low over here, or not. I think the inevitable outcome will be that we are going to be seeing this bounce, maybe a double bottom right now being created. That is going to be huge for the Bitcoin price. If we're going to be setting this double bottom, we're definitely going to be headed much higher. But because the Bitcoin market is actually looking quite bullish right now at this current moment, and we are seeing this huge divergence with the stock market being created right now, I do think that it is going to be pretty likely that Bitcoin is going to be following. The stock market is literally reaching new all-time highs right now at this current moment, while Bitcoin has been falling towards the downside yesterday, not really based on a bearish news event. We didn't really have any significant news event coming out yesterday, so I find it kind of weird. I find it kind of surprising that we are seeing this huge divergence right now. And while Bitcoin is sitting at a major level of support, I do think that a bounce is going to be inevitable. Anyways, guys, we are still trading inside of the month of October, and yes, this scenario is still exactly playing out like expected. In the beginning of the month of October, it's going to be a little bit slow, but in the end of the month of October, I do think that we are going to be getting huge bumps towards the upside, just like it's happened last year, and just like it's happened like many of the years. We have seen an average gain in the month of October of plus 20%, and that is just the average. I do think that we are also going to be seeing a huge bullish month this month for October as well. Anyways, yes, while the charts are actually looking quite bullish in my opinion, the Bitcoin market sentiment is right now flipping back fearful. So this is another very bullish thing right now happening in the market. When the majority of the market is flipping fearful, I am buying. When others are going to be panic selling, it is usually the best moment to buy in the Bitcoin market. So that is exactly happening right now. Also, the Bitcoin funding rates is still trading very low. So right now it's going to be a very good moment to be involved in the market and to be maybe opening up some positions. I do think that right here right now is going to be a very good level over here, while the charts are looking bullish, while people are actually panic selling at this current moment, and while we are seeing this huge divergence. Anyways, guys, if you are going to be getting interested in trading yourself, make sure to be checking out these two links down below, because over on OKX, you can right now be claiming a 30% trading fee discount and a $60,000 deposit bonus. And over on Bybit, you can right now be claiming a $500 free trade and a $40,000 deposit bonus. So make sure to be checking it out with these two links down below. Claim your bonuses right now in this perfect market condition we are seeing. Anyways, in that longer term, what we might start to have a look into is maybe going to be a big and a huge symmetrical triangle being created over here. Now, I do not yet know how this is exactly going to be looking like. Maybe it could also be like a descending triangle over here. I don't know how it will look like, but yes, if we are going to be consolidating further over here, well, in just a few weeks time, we're going to be seeing seeing a huge breakout pattern being created. And if we're going to be seeing a breakout pattern being created, a huge one, just like a one over here, well, I'm going to be for sure trading it. I think it will be the biggest opportunity we are getting in a very long while for Bitcoin. Anyways, yes, let's see if this is going to be playing out over here. But still, yes, we are getting rejected by this level of resistance from this bull flag pattern. Anyways, whenever we are going to be breaking outside of this resistance over here, then I really think that a real true bull market is going to be starting. Then we're going to be seeing these parabolic gains towards the upside getting created. Anyways, it could be happening any moment soon because we're seeing our second wave of low volatility in the market. During this consolidation over here, we are seeing very low volatility. So we are right now seeing this second wave being created. And always after the second wave of low volatility, we see parabolic moves towards the upside getting initiated. So I think it is about to happen once again, any moment soon. The US debt is still going parabolic. This is going to be bullish for the long run for Bitcoin. Anyways, liquidity is still rising in the crypto market. The US dollar tether market cap is still increasing and going towards the upside, while Bitcoin is still decreasing and consolidating towards the downside. So yes, we are seeing a huge divergence right here being created, just like we have seen over here, and just like we have seen over here. And the inevitable outcome will just be that we are going to be seeing another move towards the upside getting initiated. Anyways, we're going to be seeing the elections coming in only 26 days. And like I've been saying for so many times, well guys, this is going to be huge for the Bitcoin price because always after the US elections, the Bitcoin price tends to go parabolic towards the upside. This has always been a very bullish catalyst for the Bitcoin price, and this time probably will be no different. So anyways, all in all, do not get fooled at this major level of support we are currently trading at. And guys, with that being said, make sure to be following me over on Twitter to stay up to date about every single market development. And guys, I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.